Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Start. In the High Court of Pakistan at Lahore, a constitutional petition came up for hearing, wherein the petitioner sought enforcement of his fundamental rights guaranteed under Articles 4, 9, 10A and 25 of the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, 1973, full stop. The petitioner contended that the respondents, being public authorities, had acted in excess of their lawful authority, thereby violating the principle of due process and fair trial, learned counsel for the petitioner argued that no person can be deprived of life or liberty except in accordance with law, and that any administrative or executive action, must be subject to judicial review, full stop. The learned additional advocate general, appearing on behalf of the province, opposed the petition and submitted that the impugned action was taken strictly in accordance with law and that no malice or arbitrariness was involved, full stop. He argued that the petitioner had been provided adequate opportunity of hearing before the competent authority and that all requirements of natural justice were duly fulfilled, full stop. He further submitted that the writ jurisdiction of his court is discretionary in nature and cannot be exercised in cases where disputed questions of fact arise, full stop. The court, after hearing both sides at length, observed that the superior courts in Pakistan have consistently held that the right to fair trial and due process is the cornerstone of our legal system, full stop. It was further observed that the concept of rule of law, is embodied in the Constitution, requires that every action of the state must be justified on the touchstone of legality, reasonableness, and proportionality, full stop. No authority, howsoever high, can claim immunity from judicial scrutiny where fundamental rights are at stake, full stop. In the instant case, this court is of the view that the impugned order suffers from legal infirmities, as it does not reflect proper application of mind, nor does it record any cogent reasons which could justify interference with the petitioner right, full stop, the end.